Dear all, 6 months ago, I made a strong prediction that once the US market cut interest rate in September, the Chinese stock market will likely bottom out in September. And now it's actually happening because the funds from the US dollars is the main catalyst. It's moving around regional, especially like even Singapore. You can see Singapore stock market is at a high right now, and even Malaysian ringgit is at the new year high. So all this is the impact of the US dollar. I was spot on. But I must admit, while I expect the Chinese government to take action in September, I never anticipated such an aggressive move. In fact, itself, right, I believe that this is an intention to drive out short sellers, and this approach has its potential downside if the economy fails to recover enough. All right, so is the stock market a buy tomorrow? I don't think so, but it's definitely a buy in the long term. That's why I totally agree with David Tepper. Why is he buying everything right now? So disclaimer apply as usual. Let's go into details. Now, first of all, it's outright. The stimulus rally has already pushed the stock market by 25%. I am very sure it will open higher tomorrow. The stock market will likely open much higher for the Chinese stock market. And that is where a lot of my friends are asking me, is it time to buy into the Chinese stocks? And I tell you this, they are now fearing that this could be the miss of a lifetime rally. Now, I will say this upfront in the video. I believe that the bottom has happened for China, but I don't think tomorrow is a good time to buy. As a matter of fact, itself, right, I think a good pullback will be a good time to buy into the market. So that's the reason why the most successful hedge fund manager, in my opinion, David Tepper, says in a rare public appearance, say that he's going to go all in into China after the week announcement. He's buying everything. Apparently, he says that it's a good time to buy, and I totally agree with him. But the thing is this, you must understand that the amount of money going in China recently is huge amount of money. So of course, this is the same thing that would happen to US back then, where in 2020, the stock market from the low end went all the way high to historical high right now. So I know that everyone is really wanting to enter the market, but don't you think that it's a little bit too high at this moment right now? Because end of the day, being a responsible speaker, trainer, and friend, I advise buying in tomorrow. In fact, itself, right? A lot of people be telling me, Cal, the price to book ratio is very cheap right now. Isn't that good to buy? Like I said again, guys, I repeat myself, this China market, it is a buy, but you don't need to jump in tomorrow after the market has went up by 35%. And the whole thing is this 35% rally came just only 2 weeks ago. So to do it right now, it could be a massive trap. And this could basically, in Chinese, 割韭菜, to basically kill off people that the new blood come in and then the old blood gets out. So I think it's a bit reckless and irrational to be chasing in the market right now. You must understand this. The Chinese government has gone all out to support the economy with the new measurements. I understand that. But the risk of an ugly reversal in its sentiment heading to 2025 if the market fail to deliver. Because China's structural economic problem remain unsolved. This is something that you must understand. So with this here itself, right, I will say one more time, I do expect, the explosive growth in the coming months. But that is only, it will only modestly lift the enthusiasm. End of the day, you must see the economy really recovering as one. And then the stimulus that they're spending right now will worth the dollar. So I now expect this to happen. Guys, I'll put an annotation here. Now, the stock market basically closed, if you remember, before the holiday, it closed at 14,000. Now, the market most likely will open at 15,700 area. Wow, there's a lot. So I believe that this will definitely be a very overbought signal. I suspect there could be a pullback, back to about 14,000 again. Then probably that will be a good time for you to consider to buy the market. Now, if the market do pull back to anywhere to 13,500, then I will definitely say this will be the best time to heavily enter into the market. This will be the best buy. All right. So guys, I've given you my forecast. I really wish you all the best in the market. I really hope that you don't want to be the last one in. All right. Till then again, this is Cal signing off. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Leave your comments in the comment box. I'd love to hear your comments. Take care. Bye-bye.